Uber? This is my Uber today, guys.
Damn.
iPhone vlogs?
iPhone vlogs, bro.
It's the wave now, guys.
What's up, you guys?
How do you do it, David?
What's up, everybody?
What's up, guys? You watch another video. I don't know what I do. I just do this. I don't know how I started that, but we do it. But we out here. We just made it to a car meet tonight. Another car meet. Another day, another car meet, bro. But we out here. We got Hugo. We got David. What is it? What's going on? I didn't drive. I came with David because I didn't feel like driving my car. I don't know why. I've been driving my GTR way too much, so we came passenger today. Passenger princess? Right? Yeah, why are you trying to take everyone's girl? Shut up, Mr. Still your girl.
Wait, you guys caught that in 4K?
But yeah, guys, we made it. We got an E46 wagon. Look at that. We're gonna check out some cool cars, and I think everyone's going on a cruise after this, so it should be pretty lit. Let's look at the cars real quick. We got a G82. Sick. You got the new seats in there too, carbon seats. Fire. Bro, I wonder if you could get those seats and put them in your car. Or like David's car.
They probably would.
That'd be
I
fire.
think I've seen somebody do it.
And they even say it M4, M3.
No, I think they've done it in an F80.
That would be sick in F80. Damn, we got some sick cars here, bro. And then Jimmy's car. Jimmy's car looks so clean. We got another E92 here. Like Hugo. That's the same color I had on mine. Guys, look at Hugo. Hugo's famous, bro. Where's the vlog at, bro?
Happening. Yeah, there we go.
Chazzy dog. Guys, Chazzy's been posting all the vlogs.
Bro, you know, already know.
He hit 1 million views, bro, in like 2 weeks.
I didn't hack it, I promise.
He's
You
cheating,
inspired me, bro.
He's buying the viewers. I'm just kidding. Nah, I've been telling Chazzy to vlog for so long. He's finally doing it. But
Finally doing it, and we about to vlog this all day.
yes, sir. We out here. This shit is beautiful. Literally. I see this thing a lot, though, but look at this. Look at the hood exit. What the heck? I did not know that was a freaking Rolls Royce right there. They drove your car?
Yeah.
Where's the keys at?
I don't know. Where are your keys at,
Bro, how
bro?
much are those wheels, David? How much they cost you? Those wheels are hard.
Bro, I had to sell my fucking...
F80?
I had to sell...
For the wheels? Damn, that shit's fire, bro. It looks slammed, huh? Yeah, it's wide body for sure. There's so many supercars. DDEs, McLaren, this shit's sick. This shit shoots crazy ass flames, bro. Damn, it's hard. Oh, I'll see if I can capture some of the flames, but this shit is crazy.
How did you get that color? You guys didn't like that color.
I like the color. That color's nice. G80. Damn, the headlights are yellow? They come like that? Well, actually, fire. This thing's so clean, guys. Damn, this shit's sick, bro. I've never seen this Huracan. A lot of these cars, guys, at all the car meets, they're kind of repetitive. Like, you see the same cars at every car meet, but I've never seen this one before. Alright, guys, everyone's about to roll out to the second location. It's just so loud, bro. I've heard this one before. But yeah, guys, it's hella cars. This makes me miss my GTR so much. I miss my car. Look at the cops. 1, 2, 3, and there's a helicopter somewhere. Where's it at?
They're looking for me, bro.
They're looking for us for sure. This sounds crazy. Look at all these vloggers. Everybody's vlogging, bro. Vlog, 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 vlog. I'm telling you guys, the flames came out like this far, bro. What the heck? I can literally feel the heat, bro. Dog, bro, that flame was the size of a car, bro. There's no way the flame's that big. guys. I've never seen flames that big, bro. That has to be the biggest flame I've ever seen come out of a car. If you're standing behind it, you're for sure getting burnt. Like your eyes are getting burnt, bro. That shit will legit burn someone, bro. Bad. Yeah, this is crazy. 132 with the hood exit. It sounds like my E46, bro. Like exactly like it. But this is insane. I gotta find my ride. Where's David at? I gotta find my Uber, bro. Hopefully they didn't leave me. Look at all these cars, guys. There's so many sick ass cars. This shit is crazy. Got the carbon wheels, bro. Oh my god, this M2 is. Alright, guys, we left the meet with some sad news, bro. Yeah, they crashed, bro. Guys, the daily driven exotics McLaren that I just filmed shooting flames right now, like 5 minutes ago.
Bad, like total?
Total, yeah, I think, bro. They crashed. I'll put a clip in right here.
Open up and then I'm sorry.
Holy shit.
Did the driver come on? He was just here talking to me and his girlfriend.
Holy shit.
It's all right.
Freaking sucks, bro. The McLaren crashed. I wasn't there to film it, but somebody filmed it for me. We can smell Peter's oil right now. Bro, it straight smells like burnt oil. The whole city of Irvine right now. It smells like oil.
Bro, this food's car.
That's bad, bro. It smells like it's gonna catch fire. Oh, shit. This is the crash, look.
Oh.
Damn, dude, that one's messed up. So I guess the scat pack hit the McLaren, bro.
That's crazy, bro.
That's so sad, dude.
And that just happened right now. You think you got it?
I didn't just filmed it like 5 minutes ago, bro. And it's
I'm pulling
total
I
bomb.
was going 4.
Fuck.
And I'm like,
A scat pack hit him.
No more night drives for that.
That
scat pack.
sucks, dude. But we made it here. Good thing they're safe. No
I
one's
thought we were
hurt.
supposed to stop somewhere where there's food.
Yeah, I'm hungry. I think the next
There's
spot's
already
food.
cops here.
Yeah, brother. They chose the worst city, low key. This city is full of cops. Take over at the gas station. Not a real takeover, but we're taking over the gas station. But look, the cops are here. They're probably gonna be pissed, bro. GTR? And another GTR. What the heck? I've never seen this GTR, but this is the most beautiful GTR I've ever seen, bro. Whose is this? Oh my god. I'm a little biased because I love black GTRs, but wow, bro, this is the most beautiful GTR ever. Got the carbon hood, carbon fenders, carbon lip with the TE37s on it. Wow, bro. I think I gotta do this. Jay, I miss you, bro.
I miss you, bro.
We were getting stopped by cops. That shit's crazy, huh? Damn, Jay's car.
It's crazy. Why don't you do something like this, brother?
Yeah, I think I need that hood. I need the fenders. I need the wheels.
Yeah, do something
all
like
of
this,
that.
brother.
That shit is nice. This is nice. E92, all blacked out. E92s will always be one of my favorite cars. I'm gonna buy another one day, I promise. I should have never sold mine, but I'm gonna buy another one. And the next one I buy is gonna be stick shift, because mine was DCT. I want stick shift next. God damn, this vet is crazy. There's some sick cars here, guys. And that sucks about DDE though. I feel really bad, guys, about the McLaren. I'd be so mad if someone hit me, bro. Someone hit him, so it wasn't even his fault. Somebody rear-ended the McLaren. That sucks. But wow, that E90 is beautiful, bro. Bro, this shit's fire. There's so many sick cars here. F80, E90. Ah, must be nice, bro. I love this car. God damn, bro. Boy, it almost hit you.
You would have got cashed
That would have been tough. We would have all got G80s.
Oh, that's right. We all got G80s.
Everyone, the whole team's getting G80s. God damn.
It would have been bad, bro.
What if he has no insurance though?
Bro, I'll take that.
They're so fucking sick. You see how it rolls?
Yeah.
That's crazy, huh? I think so, yeah.
That's so quick.
So crazy, bro. That McLaren is hard, all black. All the carbon fiber on it. It's perfect, bro. Black and carbon fiber everywhere. So sick. David's over here getting your workout in.
Where are we going?
You got something to do.
You only told him one time too, and I go do that.
Look at David, guys.
I love
Everyone's
swinging that car.
everyone's looking at him. There's no way, David.
My boy turned traction off.
On the cuts, he's a...
Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Adrian,
This
come
guy.
on, bro.
No, get my cut, bro. Come on.
You're on the
my
block.
God.
No, I'm just kidding.
That's a club down there. No bullshit.
No, it's not, bro. Do it in reverse,
That's why.
But they're trying to
Go
do
do it.
donuts, guys.
and I'll do it in
It's a
reverse.
Honda.
Go do it, and I'll do it in reverse.
Hey, when cop comes, what?
Then we'll fucking shut shit
block
down.
him.
Stop!
Where are we gonna block him? We can't
I'll
go.
tell him whip it too.
You're just feeling a little.
You're feeling like
I should have fucking
You're
took out the
feeling like
traction
Ken
off.
Block tonight, or
Hey, I
what?
knew I was sliding with traction on. It was off, bro. It's just not
Now
on
look what you started, bro. Now everybody wants to do it. It's still going, bro. That's crazy. Oh my god.
hit my car, bro.
David wants to get his car so bad today.
You almost got hit by a Lambo today, though.
You need to show up better now? He's traction off,
He
bro. That
showed
shit was
out.
out, bro. That shit was on, bro.
David wants to try it again now. No, it's fine, bro. It's Jay's turn, bro.
James like, I would lose that shit.
Yeah.
Ah, we were looking for that one.
What is it?
I don't know.
He lost 8 horsepower because of that.
What is that?
Oh, that's even my wrist.
The Honda next to
You
it.
gotta do it, bro.
On the next.
Hey, you said you would do it, bro.
I'm not gonna do it.
Just try it. Go, go, go. Bro,
Just do a front wheel drive burnout. Fuck it.
That shit sounds sick. Look at him. Look at him, guys. He's trying it.
I mean, you can, right? Take traction off.
he did one.
Oh my god.
Park. Keep him right here. No more swinging, okay? We done? Everyone else over there, park, chilling. We don't have a problem with that. But when you guys come and do stupid shit over here, it brings attention. Now everyone's gonna start getting tickets. We done? Fair enough? All right, let's get these cars moved. Thank you.
I've never seen a Magnum one before.
Caught us, bro.
I was about to say it was somebody else, but then I don't want to fuck with this.
He snitched on us, bro. It was the Honda.
It was a Honda.
That's crazy. The cop literally said no more swinging it. So somebody had to snitch on us. That's what I'm saying. We should dip. Where are we gonna go though? At least he didn't like give anyone tickets, but someone told on us that we were swinging it. He said no more swinging it, guys. All right. He wants Hugo. He wants Hugo's exhaust.
Looking at my car like, oh, that's the one.
That's the one right
That's the
there. That's the
one.
loudest one. Oh! Jay's about to race a GT 500, guys. Let's see who wins. I don't know, but Jay beat him, I think.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.